Philadelphia.
Hi.
This is one of the first cities in all of America to embrace All-Time Low. Take us up when we were just a shitty little band out of Baltimore playing covers. You guys have always shown up for us, and look at you now. There's so many of you. There's food trucks.
Hey, we got fucking food trucks. We've made it.
You know something's going on when there's 3 food trucks. 4 maybe.
Yeah.
I can't tell.
We should have a fuck truck going on right over here. Hey, meet me in the fuck truck later.
That's just what I call our tour bus.
There we go.
Oh, God. Hi, it's so good to see you all. I've missed you so much.